Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it has been quite a while since my last one, but the market has been quiet for basically the full summer. So I have been enjoying myself. So altcoins seem to be picking up a little bit right now. I've been mostly in Bitcoin for the majority of sort of the second and third quarter of this year, but I'm now getting into altcoins. So this one I've got for you today, ICP on the Bitcoin pair. This is not ICP USD. This is ICP on the Bitcoin pair is now flashing a buy signal that I thought I would share with you guys. So basically the key thing here is that I'm tracking right now is that ICP has been in a downtrend for since basically December 2023 on the Bitcoin pair, right? So I'm just going to zoom out here and show you. So we've got this down sloping trend line that has been stuck in for basically a year on the Bitcoin pair, and we are just right now today seeing the breakout of this. If you can see that right there, we're just breaking out of this downward trend line. So I have now entered a position on this due to the fact we've got this breakout of this trend line. We have got a huge bullish divergence on the RSI. If we look down below, and I am now confident to enter this trade with some Bitcoin. So I've basically put Bitcoin into ICP at this breakout here, and my invalidation, my stop loss, is just below this trend line. So what will invalidate this trade is if we see ICP, as we have now broken out of this trend line, if we see ICP turn back round and start closing candles below this trend line, I will then be exiting my position at a small loss and going back into Bitcoin. But for today, it looks okay. The one factor is that we're still waiting on a daily close, which is in 3 hours time. But right now, as it stands, ICP is looking good on the Bitcoin pair. So this is the Bitcoin pair is when your altcoins really start to run. Like USD, fair enough, it's been moving up a little bit, but that's more just because Bitcoin is going up. But whenever you see your altcoins starting to outperform Bitcoin, which is basically what the Bitcoin pair means, that's when you're going to get the real gain. So my take profit targets are, well, I've got two set so far, and the rest I'm going to let run. So take profit one is at 1,720 sats, which is about a 30% gain on the Bitcoin pair from this starting point. Now TP2 will be up at 3,000 sats, which is 130% gains from this point. Once that has been reached, then I will be taking profit based on other factors, as sort of bearish divergences on the RSI or some of these higher levels up here. But we don't know if we'll get there yet, so we're just going to have to play that out. But for the moment, as of today, I'm now bullish on ICP. I've put my money where my mouth is and have invested into this coin using some of my Bitcoin profits. And just to reiterate there again, your stop loss, the invalidation point, the point at which this trade is no longer valid, is sitting at 1,160 sats, basically closing a daily candle back below this trend line would invalidate it. So that's not financial advice. That is what I'm doing. I just wanted to give you guys a buy signal here while it's appearing. And yeah, I'll be putting more videos up as well. So now that the market is moving again. So yeah, do feel free to follow along the journey. Hopefully we've got a few months of bullish price action, which would be nice because it has been bearish for a long time. So it's nice to see these candles starting to flash green again. All right, that's it for me. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye.